Good morning. This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. So it's 2018. I hope you're off to a great start. I'm really excited about this new year, but my plan for the new year is I'm going to start out trading with a very small position size for the first couple of weeks because for me, whenever I've had a long extended weekend, I tend to get a little bit rusty when it comes to my trading. So I like to start out trading with a very small position size, and then I will increase my position size back to my normal size in the next 2 or 3 weeks. And it's really just to get back into the swing of things. Now, if you're interested in live day trading videos and educational content when it comes to the stock market in general, be sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button below for more content. So I am currently looking at Apple. Apple has shown quite a bit of strength this morning, so I'm going to wait for the ideal entry point here. So I am now in Apple. I bought one call contract at $199 for a total cost of $199. Now remember, the P&L is not going to be too exciting for the next couple of weeks because I've decided to start out the new year by trading a small position size and to get back in the swing of things. So let's see if the price of Apple can continue higher. So Apple is approaching my target exit price, and I just sold that one contract at 228. So remember, I bought in at 199 and I sold at 228 for a 15% gain, which equated to a $30 profit. So not too bad overall, coming back from a long break for the holiday season. So I hope you enjoyed this short live trade. If you're interested in watching more live trades and more content when it comes to the stock market, please certainly consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're brand new to the stock market, certainly check out my free Trading Essentials video lesson series below. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.